This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to demo session of the PowerShell scripting. Yes, please keep on with. So myself, Nagarjuna Vadlakonda, I have a total 11 years of IT experience. From last 7 years, I'm giving the trainings on PowerShell, and it's a batch number 48 and 49. So before going to see the demo session and course content and other details, let me explain to you about the training and who are eligible to learn this course and what is the mode to join this course. Everything I will explain to you. And today we are going to divide this session as a three parts. Expected time for this demo session is 1 hour, right? So the main target is only one thing: manual work. We need to do the automation. Main target is a automation. The explanation completely from the zero onwards. I mean, completely pure basics to scratch. You can call scratch or beginner or starting point like zero to we are going to learn in advanced level. And it's a batch number 48 and 49. And the duration of this course is 2 months. Especially for this batch, added some new content. Added new content that is for SQL DBS and Azure Cloud, Active Directory, and VMware. Even you can use anywhere. Especially sessions are added on these technologies. Out of the 60 hours training, 52 to 55 hours are common for everyone, common to everyone. You don't think about your technology in day one and day 52 also you don't think. These concepts are common for any tech. If your requirement is PowerShell, or you are going to implement on Azure, or you are going to implement on our SQL DBA, fine. That is your ultimate target. But the concepts which are we are going to learn in this journey, this 2 month journey I am talking, the 52 to 55 hours are common for every person out of 60 hours. When you know the usage, you can implement on any technology. If you don't know the roots, we cannot do anything here. And maybe you may think fees is very different we have. Yes, sir. That is right. I need to reach lot of people. That is the main target. Actually, this course fees is outside market. It is 12,000. Even outside, then you may have 20 hours like that only. Sir, here purely I am going to provide the training in 60 hours with a 2,500 fees. It's a live and interactive training. It's a live online training. Again, live means we have a two batches are there. One is morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST, evening 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. IST. Same Monday to Friday, and here also Monday to Friday. Here one benefit you have, sir. Per day you can attend either morning or evening. Means I'm giving a clarity. For example, week one you have a morning shift. Morning shift you have. That day, that week you can attend evening classes. Next week you have a week evening shift. For that day you can attend morning batch. So that simple theme is same topic will run on live
Hello, good morning.
morning, that is same. And after every live session, whether every live session after, whether you are attending for live or not, you will get the daily recordings. The daily recordings, the day video and notes, scripts, and any document is there, the documents you will get. Sir, these are the just course information. It's a just course information. What are the available batches and what are the timings? Who are eligible to learn this one? Who are eligible to learn this one? Sir, I am giving this word almost, I can say those who are attending for this demo, 90% they came from the references only. From your maybe teammate or someone attended for this training. 90% those who are attended for this training, 90% they are references only. So I am completely going to start from zero. Believe me, that is completely from zero. Even you don't know what is the PowerShell. I mean, you don't know what is a command also. Like that, I will start. Nothing. We are how we will start the school life with one slate and slate pencil. Your slate is nothing but your monitor, slate pencil, your keyboard. That's all. Remaining things let it be. I will take care about. Completely from the zero after 25 days of training only out of 60 hours. I mean 25 hours after only you can analyze your subject on the PowerShell. Not end of the training. Not end of the training. Only 25 after 25 hours after only. Only 25 hours after only you can analyze the how much subject we received, how much we can understand on our production server. I mean in your organization. Just 25 hours. The plan for this training is complete this course divided as a three parts. One is a pre-basics, like what we will call in school days, pre-elementary, pre-nursery before we have a preschool. Like that, pre-basics are required here in 25 days. You may think, you may feel like if you have any basic idea, just attend for this 25 session and then after you can analyze how many unknown secrets are there. Then after basics are there 25 to end of the loops, almost 36 and 37 will come. Then 37 to remaining 60 hours completely it is advanced level. Three layers are there. Completely three layers are there with one mini project here. With one mini project. It's a live training, sir. It is a live and interactive training. One mini project also there. Completely, yes. We will use GoToMeeting and it's this is process is continuing from last 7 years, not like today and it is not a first batch or like that. It's a 48 and 49 batch number. Yes, almost 1700 plus people is completed. People are completed this training. Okay, nothing, sir. If you are zero, on this PowerShell, you are happily eligible to learn this course. Sir, is it required? Are you going to cover from intermediate to advanced? No, sir. From the scratch, like how we will learn the alphabets in school days, like that here we will learn the command. It's a command line utility. A command line utility. Your target is manual work. You need to do the automation. That is the ultimate target. That is the ultimate target here. And after after every live session, you will get the daily recordings. But I am saying to you, give the priority to for the live session, sir. So it's one of the batch which is recently completed batch, May 2023. So they completed in 48 days. But especially on Sundays, I took some hours, sir. It's a 3 hour session like that is there. Even for this batch, again I'm giving good clarity. In first month, 2 months is required, 2 months course. First month, generally you will get the core and pre-basics and basics only, sir. Pre and normal basics you will get. Every weekend you will get the assignment. Whatever we will discuss Monday to Friday, Saturday you will get up to 35 session, 35 or 36 only. Up to the time when we reach to 35 session, you will get a perfect picture. So how to find out a command and how to do the automation. Everything you will get a good clarity. Perfect clarity you will get. And here in this week, 4 Sundays will come. Na? The 4 Sundays now onwards, this method is not there previously. 4 Sundays in second month, we are going to take the sessions on SQL DBA. Yes, almost 6 to 7 hours content is added. I will show you the content related to SQL DBA and Azure AD, otherwise Active Directory, VMware, and another one is a famous one is a Azure Cloud. Yes, you can use another technologies also, even if you are belongs to Excel servers, Office 365, AWS. Yes, you can use it. Especially these category people are so many people are taking mainly for these technologies. So it is Sunday. For example, if we have a batch 25 members, the 25 members may not be belongs to SQL server. That's why first 2 Sundays for SQL server. Other people's, if it is required, you can attend. Next Sunday only Active Directory. Next Sunday like VMware, like that. Designed on Sundays only. Sundays only it is suitable time for morning and evening batches. Like you can consider 9 to 12, 9 to 11, like that we will on Sundays. Why? Because SQL server is it is target for some people. VMware is target for some people. Active Directory is target for some people. But the remaining 55 hours content is there na, apart from these Sundays. These Sundays I will take sessions in second month, not in the first month. Not in the first month. Right? This is a newly added content. Even for this previous batch completed people also I am going to invite. So a genuine content I want to provide. That is my main intention. I need to provide a genuine content to the people. Yes, first of all, simplify uses of the first we have to simplify the uses of the PowerShell. Then after remaining things are very easy, sir. Remaining things are very easy. Once you complete first 25 sessions, you are on the track. You are on the track. Okay, now this is about the course. And if you come to the course content, so by default, if it is a Windows machine, we have a two applications by default available for every machine, Windows machine. So now I am going to show you some demos in front of you now, and demo as well as course content. Two things parallelly I will discuss. definitely to cover the course content, I will move little bit speed. But our training and our explanation and everything smoothly, I will take your feedback slowly. I will move in every session. See, for example, this is a one batch, last batch only, recent before of this batch. So you can take any one of the session. I am taking one of the session, for example, session number one. Like in this way, you will get any documents and videos. See, let's see this one. I'm going to play the video number one.
This conference will now This conference will now be recorded.
Unmute and you can speak up. You can ask the doubt. But try in two stated, otherwise here also there. Is there proper way also there? Just close that. Sir, tomorrow we will start the actual theories. So it's just session one. Even that is also overview. First of all, we have to inject the subject, sir. Completion of the course is even we can complete in 5 hours also. It will list out all the commands. See, all the commands also again command lists only. List out all the available commands. Generally, you know very well. Like it's a first session one and two. When we go to the before mini project, up to mini project before. Now completely lot of course content is modified, sir. That is the first point you have to consider. So lot of course content has been modified. See how we can write the advanced level scripts end of the day. Okay, for example, I am taking this one at session number 44. This what is a while very see right. Right. See, just this screen is showing to you P written 46 lines of code and something. I'm not exactly going to particularly that script or this script. General here it is reached to 106. Yes. So that is the ultimate target in the end of the training, sir. Yes, you can write like first we don't know anything, then how to develop the subject. You in day one you won't get 106 lines of code. We cannot write in that day one only. Definitely everyday live participation is mandatory. Maybe like day one, day two, you will more concentrate, and day three, day four, if you skip, if you attend day five, everything like a Chinese movie only. If you attend regularly or if you follow the recordings regularly, these two, any one of them, either follow the recorded sessions after every live session, or sir, very clearly I'm saying that one. I observe a lot of people. Any one of them you have to follow. Either live training or recorded session. Every day you will get the recorded session to your provided mail ID. Without that one, highly impossible. It will not come, and it is not a physical component put in your brain. Need some practice. Okay, so now in this demo area, by default in every Windows machine, there are two applications are there, PowerShell, ISE, and something is there, PowerShell is there. There are two types of applications are available. I will explain to you this one, but I will need to show you something in front of you. Even this is ISC, and here one more thing. I am typing PowerShell. This is a one PowerShell. No, 1 second. PowerShell. Type PowerShell. Yes, this one. Right click. Just see how what are the things we are going to do. What is the main target, sir? Main target is whatever you are doing in the GUI mode, we have to perform same things in the CLI mode. That is a target. But we don't know anything. How can I start it? Yes, we are going to start our journey with two commands. Only two commands we are going to start. With only two commands, these are the commands. You just remember commands as of now. And it's not a case sensitive. Get minus command, get minus L. These two are enough to start our journey. Ultimate target, whatever you are doing in the GUI mode, see for example, this is a one file D directory. If I want to create a file, let's say I will go to the here, right click, test file. hello.txt. That's all. If I want to open something, hi to all. Yes, I written some content. This is a GUI mode approach. Example I am giving here. But the same thing, see how I am performing. New item like path is here only name. My file 01.txt. See, completely created or not here. Your file is ready. It is a CLI mode. And not only that one, I will write some content also. Good morning, Naga. See, one more file came with content. Just a simple example, it's not a big thing. But if you know the commands, this we don't know, sir. You are completely new here. I am going to show you what level we have the course explanation. Even you are learning here, sir. First, we have to learn the roots. Basics are important. First 25 sessions. Even if I explain new item, this one, first you have to good at history and how to take the basic command and how to start it. For this to understand this one, 3 hours is required. But I'm directly explaining to you and don't get any fear, sir. I don't know this one. Yes, you. I'm only saying that one. You don't know anything about this one. You don't know anything about this one. I will explain in the course. So completely, for example, your target is if you want to find out a file which is starting with like creation time, based on creation time starting with or ending with, I want to delete the files which are older than 30 days or 40 days. See, this is a course content, high level course content we have added here. The first one, what is a command and what is a commandlet and what are the syntaxes are available. That is the first level. This will take to you almost 3 hours time to understand how to start the journey and what is the command. First level. And then after, yes, we will start how to read a command output. Yes, even if you want to see the log files or if you want to check the services, if you want to see the what are the running process. So what are the running processes, for example, with the notepad, how many are there? Yes, yes, two notepad applications are there here. See, you can able to see here notepad application one and here one more notepad application two is open there. So I want to close it from here only. How to do this one? See, completely closed. See, nothing is there on the screen. These logics and how to use the proper syntax from the bottom to how to learn the subject. Then after we have a operators concept will come very first one. There we will select 16 operators are available. That is a comparison operators concept will come. That is a total 16 operators are there. The 16 operators we will learn in this area. Almost this will take 8 to 10 days time, sir. Only these operators. Even after learning the operators, especially regular expression is a one of the biggest confusion topic. Here you are going to learn from the roots. Let's see. For example, here I have one log file. It's generated by any one of the monitoring tool in your Azure cloud or DevOps, any your on-prem environment. This is a one monitoring tool generated log file like Nagios or anything. Now you need to abstract IP addresses. Somewhere you have IP addresses closely observed, but somewhere also there, but these not valid IP addresses. How to write the patterns? See, in this total file, I want to extract valid IPv4 addresses. IP address generally. Now this is IP address. 4 bits are there, but it is invalid. Any bit value should be 0 to 255 only. 0 to 255 only. How to do this one? When you complete this operators, only this first part only. These 16 operators I said na. If you complete the 16 operators like that, see I will show you. This is the one expression, sir. Select string path equals to, on desktop I have a one file na, log file, and expression or pattern. The pattern I will explain to you. See how simple we received the. Just give me 1 second, right? Matches. See, that's all. These are the valid IP addresses. Complete file information. Complete file information. In the file, what are the valid IP addresses? Important thing is this pattern. If I ask you, is it clear to you? It is like a Chinese movies. In Chinese language also, we have a this type of their languages in these ways there. Like that, it is available now. But once if you complete the comparison operators perfectly, you will give the answer. No need to do any manual work. So no need to do. This is the one IP address is there. 12300 is there. 1200 yes. 12300 yes. Absolutely is there. Immediately yes. Somewhere we have another one. Somewhere we have another one. If I, for example, if I add one more address, 5.6, 100.200.300.400. See this second one. This is invalid. See that run again. See 1 2 3 4 came. 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 6 came. But next one is missing. This one skipped by your PowerShell engine. Next valid address only there. The pattern creation will come here. And the next one is one more important thing is there in this one, logical operators. For example, see one command is the service command. It is some command output, sir. In this output, I want to take status equal to, see this is something like an Excel sheet header. So status should be stopped and display name starting with A. That is your requirement. How to write two conditions? See how simple I am writing the condition after learning the, if you know the logical operators. First condition, status should be running or stopped, and next condition is display name starting with A. Condition is anything. See the output. Two condition. Status should be running. Yes. Display name is starting with A. Absolutely. So it is a truth table concept involved here. That's why first 25 sessions will give you a good clarity. And next operators, sorry, variables. How to store the values into variable. What is the three types of variable? And here in our course we are going to use two versions, 5.1 standard and stable version in Windows, and latest 7.3. These two things we are going to discuss here. Two versions. Then after, still these are the pre-basics only, sir. Now we started one concept, scripting. Up to here, everything like a command, A, B, C, D, like that. When we enter the scripting, yes, like here you can create the scripts. You can write a scripts, multiple scripts you can write here. Not one line, multiple lines. Here you are writing one line commands, then you are pressing the enter key. You are typing some command, I want to see the log files. Over. But here you can write the scripts. You can write the scripts. Here we will generate end of the training at least 100 to 150 lines of code without coding knowledge. Sir, no coding, no C, no Java. That type of things are not there here. It is not a programming based language. Scripting, step by step, our daily plan. What one action after another action. We have a proper plan. Same way, here also we have a proper plan is there. Here total 4 pillars are important in the scripting. 4 pillars are important. Really, believe me, 4 pillars are important. Even I am saying to you, end of the training you will get the subject. That is not my word. Middle of the training only you will get the a expert level knowledge after 35 sessions. First to 25 sessions, it will give to you zero to a some idea it will create. Not a hero. In 25 days, if you are a hero, you can do anything. No, I'm very clearly saying that one, sir. 0 to 25 days, it will give to you a clarity, and we can do any type of filtration by using pre-basics. 25, 0 to 25. Very clearly I'm saying that one. Next 10 sessions, 10 to 12 sessions will give to you, we can write the automation script for any type of requirement. Sir, here you will get a perfect picture. We can do anything. Now from there you will get some advanced concepts like deployment objects. For example, my mission is there. I want to get the disk space utilization. Simply see how I am writing the disk space utilization information. I'm just writing something. 1 second. Logical disk. That's a simple disk information, and everything I want to print in the GBs. How simple I'm writing the logic. See, hold on, sir. I will explain it, but I need to give one or two examples. Then you will get a clarity what level we can understand and we can learn from this training. Why is different from others? And see, drive letter. I can customize my reports, and automation is main target. So you are writing the script, but where is the reports, CSV files? How to get the total result I want to see in the CSV file, or HTML format report I want to get, or how to create a digital signature. See, simply I'm writing free space, some words I'm using. Sir, after getting a clarity on the course content only you can register. Yes, I mean there is no, I'm not insisting you. Wait and closely observe whatever I am saying. Really, are we are going to cover end of the training or not? Take a proper picture. See how simple my data is available in GBs. C drive 237 GB. Even I can we can also print them in the rounding number. See how simple I'm using the logics. Okay, today you may not good at these concepts, but once you enter, see, I'm sorry, sir, something went wrong. Yes, C drive, comma 2, round. Let me do one thing. Size divided by 1 GB. Take an integer number. So there are not one answer for one method. There are multiple paths are available. See, size is available in GBs, 238 GB, C drive, D drive, E drive, and F drive. Every drive total size information. And same way free size information I am printing. So not only printing, we have to generate the reports. Sir, who need this one, sir? I need report. I want to generate the CSV report. Export CSV. See how I simple I am going to create the reports. Export CSV path abc.csv. No, that's all. My report is ready. Open that file. See the result. See report generation. Even not only this one. Even you can also generate the a HTML format output also. Means, see, just I'm copying one HTML code in front of you. For that, no need to learn any HTML. See, convert to HTML. Out file hello.html append. That's it. Something went wrong. Wait. Hello.html. So these are the not a simple example. In front of you, I am showing to you. But once if you enter the training, the explanation and everything will move smoothly here. Just I need to show you something. That's why I'm explaining here. But originally, to understand the file management or CSV, it is a 1 hour session. Somewhere we have. Just give me 1 second time. I will show you. Yes, two sessions I selected here. How to take the session number 2 and session number 1. How to generate the CSV file and HTML report. See, not only this one, something happened in your organization. For example, let me do one thing. For example, I want to get a mail alert. C drive space is less than 50 GB. 50 GB. I want to get an alert. That is my requirement. Listen carefully, sir. See, it will print all disk information. See, it is printing all disk information, but my concentration is only C drive. How to filter our required property values? See how simple C drive I selected. Hold on, sir. Please keep on mute. And let me complete the course content. Why? Because first clarity is more important here. Clarity is more important here. Those who are completely new to here, the clarity is important here. See, in this total C drive is there. For example, this is a C drive information I am storing into one variable. Anything starting with a dollar, you can call that is a variable. Free space is there. Free space divided with 1 GB, and it is in the form of integer. It's a case insensitive. Okay, now I want to do one activity. If free space is free space is less than 50 GB. Definitely now 19 only there. I want to get an alert. I want to send a mail message. I want to really send the mail message. I want to send the mail message. The mail message should having this report. The report is like out hyphen, otherwise export hyphen CSV path abcd dot CSV no type information and append. This report I want to send to my manager or someone. See, send from any one of the mail ID you can provide here. I'm going to send from this mail ID to one more mail ID I'm providing in front of you. I mean, you will get the access from these mail IDs only in upcoming days. And attachment is my above file. And subject is C drive space is less or reach to threshold limit. smtp.gmail.com Gmail ID. And then after use the port number. By default, it will provide 587 and use SSL. Before that one, who is going to receive my? This is my main. Here I am going to get the alert. Here I am going to get the alert. But where is your credentials? Okay, you are going to send from my training, my God 16. Definitely credentials are required. Credentials. Something you have to supply the credentials. See how simple credentials already have in my machine. 1 second. As of now, there is nothing in this mail ID. Something Google Pay is there. Google Play is there. Now I'm going to run this page. Uh, what is the credentials? I'm not sure about the credentials. Let me do one thing. One second. Just wait. I will take the credentials of my mail ID. What is directly? It is not possible. Let me do one thing. Right. Just wait. I am going to create in a different manner. Username equals to my training, my guard 16. Okay. And password equals to get content. Securely, I stored my password in D drive. Now CR equals to new object. So you don't worry. PS or management, PS credentials, automation, PS credential, username, and PWD. Really, are we? Oh no! Something went wrong. Yes, yeah, missing this one. Sir, you don't worry this code and other things. Real, are going to get the any mail here? Absolutely. See, in front of you, C drive space, and it is attached one file abc.csv. Our complete report here. Complete report we have here. See, so when the condition is met, we have to trigger something here. That is related to one command, send mail message, but a lot of settings are there, not like easiest way. Then after we have a one mini project end to end in 2 hours. I said four pillars are important. That is a if a conditional statement and loops. Deblame my objects. In deblame my, you will get a ultimate subject. How to extract a service details, anything here. How to find out, for example, you can see, and the example also we will get from your end only. I mean, these examples not from my end. You will give some example based on your organization. By that, we will perform the complete script. Yes, complete script we will write based on your provided values only, not from my end. Complete development related scripts, whatever, even uptime or
Um,
any other details.
Hello, Naga.
Everything is possible. Sir, let me give some time. Sir. Please, we will discuss. Let me complete the course video. And self-signed certificate, how to create a digital signatures. MMC is a one folder is there in your machine. Microsoft Management Console. How to install the certificates. How to install the certificates, the biggest target and confusion topic also. How to install the certificates on your machine. Yes, for example, if you want to encrypt the data or decrypt the data, or if you want to provide the execution permission on certificates, creation of digital certificates. Just give me 2 minutes. I will give to you one example. A high level clarity you will get. For example, I have a one script, sir. This is a one line script. My script dot ps1. But one problem in my machine, there is a one security layer is there to run the scripts. If I try to run my script, it will not work. Why? Because there is no digital signature. That's why it cannot run. Absolutely. But if you want to run that script, we have to learn a concept, self-signed certificate concept, sir. This is a not this one, self-signed certificate. There is a one concept is there. One second. Here, this is a one where we will find out the how to write the self-certificate creation area. Like, see, as of now, one more time I am going to show you my script.ps1. One line is there, right? Now I am going to install one certificate on my machine. This code and logic you will get inside of the training. It is trying to install one certificate. Somewhere we have a prompt. Where it is? One second. Not anywhere. One second. Just wait. Give me some time. I will show you properly. It is in the waiting state. What is the reason? No, machine is in the hang state. Let me do one thing. Some process is waiting for user input. Yes, here, sir. This is a one. Perfect now. Your system is always correct. We are only missing. It is blinking. I mean, somewhere. Yes, it is. See the last line? It is trying to install a certificate. Where is your script file? My script file is available in the drive. My script.ps1. Something went wrong. What is that? My script. No, one second. There is some mistake. File script path invalid, sir. Nothing else. That's all. Now open your file. Something added. See your logic. A PEM file. I mean PPK or PEM file added to your course, your script. Now happily now you can run your script. Previously it is not allowed to run the scripts. Now happily it is working. So how to create the digital signatures? Four pillars are important. One is loops, conditional statement, deblemi, and another one is a DSC, advanced function. In advanced function, you can create your own commands. Now, lot of my own commands I am using. I will show you in front of you. See, there is a one secret file is there, profile. Lot of my own commands I am using. Every day after giving the training on Azure Cloud, generally I will run this command. It's my own command. Azure-delete, that is my own command. I am created on my machine. What it will do? Everything it is going to delete. Whatever it is created in any subscription, it is going to delete. Simple way, na? Very simple way. It is going to delete on my machine. Every day I will run after the Azure administration course. After, I mean, there is one more training is there, Azure administration. But for that, PowerShell is required. So simple. That is advanced functions. In the advanced function area, you will get how to create your own commandlets and modules. This is a last content we are going to see modules. Here I will explain to you how to create the install the modules and how to connect the remote servers, how to install the Chocolatey tool. Yes, for example, let one second. I will show you. Where is okay? This is a one AWS machine is there. I want to connect this AWS machine from my local laptop. For that, what is this machine IP address? Yes. First of all, I have to give more clarity. I'm not sure about this password, but I can find out this password. It's a one of the cloud machine, so don't worry. I'm just showing to you depth of the course. I'm just showing to you depth of the course only here. Ah. For example, yes, it is waiting here. Username is administrator and password is password. Good. Administrator spelling mistake. This is my cloud machine, sir. Fine. Everything is good. I'm not disturbing that one. It's my cloud machine in front of you. We have. So these machine I want to connect over the public network, not a domain server. Domain word is related to Azure Active Directory, really. So I want to connect this machine. I want to connect this machine. I know the username and password. Then how can I connect from my machine? See, one second. Get execution policy. Okay, I'm just changing to, so I'm going to connect enter PS session. Computer name is, what is the computer name? This machine IP address is 3.85.171 and 143. Am I right? 171. Top line 3.85.171.143. Good. And then credentials are otherwise, uh, credentials load into general. I will, oh, administrator. 1 second. Administrator and password is password only. Good. Excellent error. Following error, the WinRM service is not working. Let me do one thing. I want to connect ultimate. Finally, I want to connect this one. Do one thing. Store these credentials into one variable. Every time we cannot provide into there. Again, I'm trying to connect. Directly it is throwing an error. Even it is not waiting for the connection also. Connecting remote server failed. The following message. WinRM. 1 second, sir. Here there is a one concept is there. cpad.ms. Just I'm showing to you. Is it possible to connect the server or not? Sir, here I am explaining. This you will learn in the course only. In only demo session, you cannot get everything. If you learn everything in the demo session, we can attend all demo sessions of all technologies. Not like that. Just I am showing to you some clarity. What level we have a course. What is IP address? 3.85. 171 143. Now it is believing. Previously directly throwing an error. But now, see, I received the prompt. Who am I? I am a cloud machine. I am a cloud machine. I can do anything now here. I can do anything from here. For example, what is the space information? And what is the processor information? And what is the CPU percentage? I mean, how much temperature is there? What is your processor? And what are the patches you have on your machine? Not only that one, if you know the one command line utility there, quality. The words maybe first time if you are listening, it is new. Everything new only, sir. Just I am showing to you all these things to show you the depth of the course only. And it is not required before joining to our course. If you know everything, why we will come to here, sir? I am doing something on my remote machine. See, Chaco install Google Chrome. I'm trying to install Google Chrome on my machine. Which machine? Cloud machine. Here I am trying to install the Google Chrome in front of you. But I am sitting in my laptop. I have a public connectivity, public over the internet, not the domain level. Domain level very secure. Really, will it create the Google Chrome? If it is success, you will get the, what is that? Icon will come on the screen.
But in production environment, they will not allow to create the Choco install, right?
Public is not allowed. Yes, on that's why I'm saying that public network.
Means that this we can't use in our environments, right? Choco install.
Absolutely, we cannot use, but you will get a tricky things. What is the logic behind it? What is the logic? What is the connectivity? See, finally we received or not? Am I right? Public network is not allowed. Jump servers we will use. Why we will use public? I mean, 598586 two ports we will use. 5985, 5986. WSMAN protocol we will use. Simply, I can do anything from here. I can manage my server or servers. Sixth loop is there. Total six loops are there. The sixth loop will give a clarity how to work with remote servers. So like that's a big content. It is not a like 1 hour. It is not possible to discuss the content in 1 hour. How to run the scripts backgroundly. How to create the
Means
task
means
scheduler.
we can install the Choco in Gem server. From there we can use all the servers, right?
Gem server we have to load from there. That URL onwards we can download it. Yes, sir. That is all. Gem server means like a
We can,
gem box.
yeah.
Yes.
For every client we have the Gem server. From there we can connect all the servers, right? With that
Also, sir.
Gem server, if you install the Choco, we can use the scripts, right, everywhere.
That's it, simple. Anyhow, in the domain level, we have a secure connection. And next one, certificate creation, how to provide the password securely. So this is a way here you will get the complete real-time scripts, how to create the alerts, even how to create the graphical user applications by PowerShell. Generally here in school days we will learn, sorry, college days, .NET, Java we will learn. But if you learn the PowerShell, how to create the Windows application by using just a PowerShell code and functions. And DS is ultimate option in the Azure cloud also. It is similar to your Ansible and Puppet. It's a Microsoft product configuration management tool. So then after modules, I will explain. After 55, 53 hours after, I will here explain the module. Listen carefully now onwards. This is a new content, sir. Now which one I added? Listen carefully now onwards. So this is previously, generally I explained module in 2 hours or 1 hour only. Previously, up to last batch. Up to last batch. So now this time we are going to see special sessions on Sundays. Why? Because all sessions are, I mean, after 55 hours, your belongs to SQL server. Means only SQL people will attend for that Sunday. Next, Active Directory. Anyone can attend. I am not saying you should not attend. But all people not belongs to SQL server. All people not belongs to Azure cloud. Yes. So that's why a special content and there with the script names also. I mean program names. Complete SQL DBA level scripts we added here. Everything here, including backup also. Disk space utilization. So I will share with you this document with the today's session. Complete SQL information, even Active Directory VMware. Azure Cloud, you can let it be set. Why? Because I am working on cloud environments only. Even you don't think about the Azure Cloud. If you are Azure Cloud people, see how I can simply create a Azure VM. In front of you, I am going to create a one machine. See, I am going to create a Windows machine in front of you. Tab is not working. That's all. My machine is ready. It is going to create a machine on the Azure cloud. Why? Because I think there is a only unique training here. I mean, not available everywhere. Azure training may be available, but here I will also provide the training. It is a different trainings, not inside of this one. Anyhow, I will give to you how to work on Azure. But to understand the Azure, sir, you are learning PowerShell. Inside of that one, will you get complete Azure training? If you get Azure training, I will call Azure PowerShell. Na? I will explain to you how to work on Azure cloud with PowerShell. Every service, if you learn, that is Azure training, it will come. Maximum, we will discuss 3 hours on how to use the PowerShell upon the Azure. Upon the Azure. See, this is a one batch recently completed one. If you know the PowerShell, every service we can manage by the PowerShell. Everything you can manage it. Whatever you are doing from the GUI mode, same thing we can perform by the CLI also. Same thing we can perform in the CLI mode also. For that, we will write the scripts. Even if your target is Azure DevOps, Azure Cloud, SQL Server, AD, VMware, you will get a good content, sir. Here. See, even I can, okay, your name is not valid. Let me do one thing. That's all. My machine is going to ready in the cloud in fraction of seconds. GUI mode will take a lot of resources to do the activity, but command line, it is very easy. Even in the Azure cloud, if you open the cloud shell, something is there, cloud shell. This one, cloud shell is there. Upon the Linux, your PowerShell will work. Sir, you're trying to learn PowerShell. Maybe this word may be available. This is only belongs to Microsoft product. No, even we are using in AWS with PowerShell, and Azure DevOps in Jenkins, and now Azure Cloud using the, even see, if you ask a question, get host, PowerShell version it is displaying. The PowerShell only. PowerShell version it is displaying. And Azure Cloud, PowerShell, by using the PowerShell, see, I'm going to create a resource group, simple. Directly it is showing some command, but new AG, yes, right. That's all. One VM will come. Now I created a resource group. We can manage them also. Creation is one time activity. How many times we will create per day? How to troubleshoot, how to manage them by the PowerShell is important. So this way we will discuss even 2 to 3 hours. So this is about my course content. It's completely 60 hours. Previously 53, 55 is there, but now it is a 60 hours content. And there are two batches are available. Already I said this word before entering into this session. There is a morning 8 to 9 and evening 8 to 9. For day you can attend any one of them. Same topic will run in morning and evening sessions. After every live session, you will get the recordings. It's an interactive training. You have to speak something in the training. Training time, explanation will move slowly, sir. Why? Because it is demo. I need to explain 60 hours content in just a matter of 50 minutes. That's why I can say I move little bit speed. I will agree with your statement, right? And course content is a one-time payment. It's a 2,500. There is no extra hidden charges are not available. That approach is not there at my point. If you are interested, please pay to this number and share the screenshot of the payment to this number only. I will add your number to group. One special WhatsApp group I will create. For that group, I will add your number. Sir, after if you done any payment, no need to reveal here. Just to share the screenshot, you can leave the training. I mean, if you there is no other things, I will give the update you after 1 hour. There is no branches, no, even I provided a lot of training in different institutes, but there is a limitation. I need to complete in 30 days. It is not a satisfied thing for me. That's why completely I started individually. I'm providing end-to-end subject here. So after payment, please share the screenshot to this number only. Even payment also this one, screenshot also this one. Tomorrow, if you have any query also, you can share to this number only, right? So this is about the course content and registration details information. Yes, now you have any query, sir, you can ask from this end. And let me know, any one of you, my previous training, can you give your feedback whether it is bad or good? I won't feel further.
Yes, Naga, Pramod here. Hello.
Yes,
Am I
Pramod.
audible, Naga?
Yes, Pramod. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So the thing is, guys, so if you pay just 2,500, right? So you can get more content here. So even I joined this course last to last batch. Yeah. So even I learned this and Azure also in. For the thing is, so for middle, I could not able to join because some health issues. So I asked for Naga also. He said like, okay, you can join the same amount you can join for next course. So that would be the one great opportunity here. And definitely, even I can say like, definitely you can get 90% knowledge. Only thing is you need to practice and you need to do some investigate from your end also. Whatever he will teach, so that one you can do from your end. So that is the thing. Even I referred my friends also, my colleagues. So they are also joined and they learned. So yeah, that's it from my end, Nagar.
Okay, okay, thank you. Definitely, sir. I'm giving a good thing. If you attend live sessions are recorded, if you follow the recording, you will get that one. Randomly, like a weekend, like if you come and move, you won't get subject in anywhere in the world. So participation or recorded session, any one of them. Why? Because you have a two options here: live training or recorded. Even in the line of live training, also you have a two options. You have a two options. Yes, is there any queries you can ask it? And very strictly, there are 25 morning seats, 25 in evening. Why? Because if I give the 25, approximately we will get a daily 20 people. In the morning, 20. Interaction is required. And regular batch starts from 17th or Monday, sir. I will update in the special WhatsApp group after your registration. Probably from Thursday, no doubt. Thursday, if not Monday. But I will confirm this one after creation of the group. In that group, I will communicate with you. Yes, sir. Even any other queries you can ask it. But
Sir,
before
this is
question,
Abhishek.
yes, sir, Abhishek.
Sir, if I am not able to complete the course while paying 2500, s- like some issues to attend the classes, so I can join the next batch. It is available,
Yes,
sir.
that one. Yes, sir. That one only saying that one. Pramod said that word only. But before that one, you have to inform me.
Okay, sir.
Naga,
Is it?
this is Arun.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
just to reply to Abhishek, Abhishek, I joined the last previous class, but in that I attended to only 3 sessions. After that, I don't have the time, and also due to my family situation, I am not able to attend the session even in the morning and also in the evening. So what I did, I after nearly 25 classes crossed, he crossed the classes. After that only I informed Naga that I am not able to attend the training. So he straight away said that you can join in the next class immediately. So you no need to worry. You can trust Naga.
Thank you. Thank you.
How many
Okay, thank you, sir.
how many hours classes will be conducting Naga? This Keshu?
Uh, Monday to Friday, it's a 55 hours. On Sundays, we have a 7 hours, total 62. 62, 62. 602,
62,
62.
62 hours, right? Okay, okay. I hope
Absolutely.
it
60.
may come for like 1 month. You'll be going to close, right?
2 months it is required, not 1 month. Daily 1 hour only, na?
Okay, okay, okay.
Not one
Okay,
month.
thank you, Naga. Thank you. Yeah, I'll join there. Thank you.
Okay, sure.
Contact ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ clear.
What is the Sunday's timing?
No, no, no. Sundays from second month onwards, we will discuss suitable time for more people. I will come. I mean, first month there is no sessions on Sunday. Second month, SQL server purpose, one Sunday I will take. 2 Sundays is required.
And when will the
And
batches are starting?
from 17th, either 17th or Monday. I am saying that one only.
Okay.
Tuesday, Thursday or Monday. Okay. Sir, after
Okay, thank
payment, no need to reveal anything here. Just to share the screenshot, I will give the response to you.
Uh, Naga Shankar here. So regarding you mentioned SQL DBA, right? So SQL DBA means it is a full SQL DBA or only in SQL DBA PowerShell part. So mm,
PowerShell part only. If I explain full SQL DB, already those who are good at SQL in the GUI mode, I will
okay,
explain to you in PowerShell. But if I explain
okay,
SQL DBA and PowerShell, that is SQL plus PowerShell. Na? Already you are working
uh,
in SQL DBA, then it is helpful to you.
okay. Then VMR also you are going to take PowerCLA or PowerShell itself.
Power CLI only, but that is a PowerShell only. Na? Power CLI, yes, the module.
Okay, okay.
Hi
Thank
Naga.
you, Naga.
Yes, sir.
Just wanted to know, it will help in Azure DevOps also. Like I'm working on Azure DevOps server, so it will help in Azure DevOps automation also.
Yes, sir, we can use there also, but here if I only Azure added, Azure Cloud only added, like in front of you, I created a VM. That commands and scripts I will explain to you. Lot of scripts are there, sir, not only one. Even if you see in the drive, it's a not a
Okay.
one-line commands. If you see this one, a big
Hmm.
lengthy scripts are available. But when you we
But do you
can
have like
understand,
something for Azure DevOps also, like anything for Azure DevOps also,
you can
which
use
helps
it.
in
But
Azure
here
DevOps?
Azure DevOps is not added.
Okay.
You can use the same thing. See, is it not a one-line command? Am I right?
Hmm. Yes, yes.
If you good at first 52 hours or 53 hours, anywhere you can use. If you know the, for example, you are taking the out of 62 or 60 hours, 52 hours you are learning, sir. Then after you
Okay.
can use this PowerShell anywhere on your technology.
Okay. Got it.
Yes.
Thank you.
What will
Sir,
be
after
batch
your
time?
payment, sorry, I'm not getting your point.
Batch time. When will be
Morning 8
starting?
to 9 and evening 8 to 9. This is a fixed already I informed.
Okay. Okay. I joined a bit late. That's my bad.
Okay, okay, got it. Sir, is there
Uh,
still any question? Yes. Tell me.
Hi, this is Srinivas. Actually, for some days I'll be in morning shift and some days I'll be in second shift. That is not confirmed. If in case if I miss morning class, can I attend the second class, like evening class?
Sir, if you have a time, attend 2 times per day.
No, no, actually. Due to office times, sometimes difficult to
Okay, okay.
join morning
I
shift.
mean, yes, yes.
That's
You
okay.
can switch based on, yes, yes. Yes, you can use it, sir.
Based on availability,
That
right?
is it.
Based on
Yes,
availability.
correct. Even one more thing I'm saying, Srinivas, same link for
Okay.
morning and evening. Same link for
Okay,
morning and
okay.
evening.
Okay, okay. Thank you. I can reach out to you, okay? Over the
Okay, sure. So,
contact
sir,
number.
one thing after payment, no need to reveal here. You can quit from this
Sure,
session.
sure,
I will
definitely.
give the updates. Okay.
Naga,
Sure, sure.
are you providing any other training also, or only just PowerShell only?
No, sir. I'm actually working on the automation point. Python also I will provide. And
Okay,
mainly Azure
Python
Cloud
also.
and PowerShell. I am very famous on these two technologies, Azure and PowerShell. Apart from
Azure and
the
PowerShell.
Python and Linux also I will provide, but main thing is AWS and Azure PowerShell. I sorry,
So,
AWS
Azure
I am not
CLI nothing but PowerShell only. Azure CLI nothing but
PowerShell,
PowerShell only or Lining PowerShell, right?
PowerShell only, sir.
Azure Cloud Shell also same thing, only, right? Azure Cloud Shell nothing but
Same
PowerShell
thing
only.
only. PowerShell only,
But
but
different
that is
command.
readily available. Readily
Okay,
available on
okay.
the cloud.
Okay.
Same commands
Commandless,
only.
right? There will be. Okay, okay.
Everything is same only.
But we need to install something, right? To this on premises. We need to install
No,
something,
no,
right?
no need to install anything also. Just import only. Already these are available to you. No need to install
Okay,
anything.
okay.
Already
Okay,
available.
okay. Import. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thanks for clarifying the.
Sure, sure.
Okay, I'm leaving
So
here. I can
Naga,
once I
when
attend the.
when this classes will start?
Sir, either Thursday or Monday. I will confirm it. Thursday or Monday.
Okay,
This
thank
Thursday,
you.
17th plus 4, either 20, 17th maximum, if not Monday,
Oh, Monday means 21st, right?
21. But probably every new batch I will start on Thursdays only. Maximum on
Okay.
Thursdays only.
Oh, okay, Naga.
Okay.
Hi Naga,
Yes, sir.
Divyajyoti this side. So I have wondered like once I have complete this course, which kind of job I can apply like because
With
I am
only
new to
PowerShell,
this.
no, no. With only PowerShell, we cannot get any job, sir. With only
Okay,
PowerShell, nowadays multi-talent people is required. You can implement this technology like Azure or Azure DevOps or PowerShell or any other technology automation tool. Automation purpose, you have a one scripting knowledge. For that is enough. Maybe you will get the jobs for PowerShell only, but maybe that is a 3 months, 6 months only, not a standard or stable jobs. That's why this is an automation purpose you are learning. Only for automation purpose.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hi, sir. Arshad here, sir.
Yes, sir. Please tell.
Sir, mainly my work is 90% in automation only. I,
Yes,
I'm a Azure SQL Server DBA.
अच्छा
Hello.
absolutely, sir. I'm
ऑफिस
saying that one you
ऑफिस आना है हमारे वहाँ पे
someone is
Hello.
speaking. Yes, absolutely, sir.
लैपटॉप ला
You are
बाय
correct.
नाही था
Someone is speaking, sir. You can unmute and you can ask. I mean, I muted everyone now. Please unmute and you
Uh,
can ask.
Naga, I'm dropping off. I'll ping you on the chat. I pinged
Sure, sir.
you actually. Okay, thank
Sure.
you.
After this, yes, I will add your number to the group. Okay.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Hi,
Hi
Naga,
Naga.
sir.
Thank you, Naga.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello, Naga,
Hi
sir.
Yes, yes.
Naga.
Yes.
Please.
Yeah, Naga. My name is Veera. I'm working as a Microsoft 365 administrator and Azure administrator. So, can I use the PowerShell to generate the reports from the Microsoft 365?
Absolutely. Office 365 completely managing the users and mails. Yes, sir. Correct. Possible.
Possible, right, sir? Sir, and
Yes,
what
sir.
is the
Even
difference between the Terraform and the PowerShell, sir? Because nowadays everybody is asking for the Terraform to manage the infrastructure mm, in the Azure cloud. So by using the PowerShell also we can achieve the same thing, right?
simple thing, yeah. In Terraform, it is available to everywhere. I mean, with multi cloud, it is not for
Oh,
only AWS, not only for Azure or these things. PowerShell is generally we will cover. It's a Microsoft product,
okay, sir.
but
Okay,
not up to Terraform, sir. It's open world.
okay, sir. Okay, got it, sir.
Hello, Naga.
Hi,
This is
Naga, sir.
Sridhar.
Myself, Arshad.
Yes,
Hello, Naga, sir.
yes, Prashant. Yes,
Yeah. Arshad,
Prashant.
Muhammad Arshad Ali, my name.
Okay.
Actually, my completely work is on PowerShell only through and automations only my work. I'm a SQL Server DBA.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Yeah. So through PowerShell, it is very helpful to me, right?
Absolutely, sir. No doubt in that one. The first 52 hours, first you have to concentrate, which are give a high level picture on PowerShell. Then
Okay.
after 52 hours only, you have to concentrate on your SQL.
Okay.
You can generate any type of reports, or you
Okay.
can manage anything. You can invoke SQL command. Is simple thing. Whatever you are doing manual work, we can do that automation.
Okay, sir. And one more thing, for this payment, I need to pay. I will pay right now, and I will send an screenshot. And when is our classes will be start?
I'm saying 17th or Monday, sir. 17th or 21st. Any one of these 2 days. And the
Okay.
same date I will inform to you in on special
Okay.
WhatsApp group. After your payment, I will add your number to
Okay.
one special WhatsApp group, sir. Only for registered people.
Okay. Sure, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
And I'm present ongoing two projects having in my hand. So I have informed to my client I'm learning PowerShell, so I can't do right now this is. But he expecting me at the time of training. I need to complete those automation work.
How much time they can
So
provide you, sir? How much time they can
uh,
provide your client?
already they provided me 2 months of time. Already 1 month gone, sir. From past last month, I am touching with you, and we have a discuss with you also on this through chat and
Okay,
call.
do one thing, sir.
Yeah.
You do one thing. Especially in this
Yes, sir.
case, I'm here. I'm only the trainer. There is no other head up on me. Just ping me. You can take the previous batch recorded session. Try to attend 2 to 3
Okay.
sessions. But for SQL sessions, you
Okay.
have to wait. Why? Because SQL content, Azure, these content sessions are specially added now this batch only. Remaining things you
Okay.
can complete it before. I mean,
Okay.
if you complete that 52 hours, sir, you will get a good clarity on the PowerShell.
Okay. But sir, one my request is if you help me on this, why? Because I'm having only two. One is scan SQL logs, and another one is storage capacity planning.
Sure, sir. We will discuss. Even I am also working a
Yeah.
lot of things and
Yes, sir.
pains are available. You can
Okay.
also try to
Yeah.
understand from
If
my
need,
end.
If need, I will pay separate for this also, sir. I'm ready to pay. Because I'm getting lots
You
of pressure from my
you are
company.
correct,
They
sir.
are simple. They are saying put and design and go. Already 2 times I have put and I have taken revoke
Uh,
also. Yeah, that's the
like we
reason,
will
sir.
discuss after evening hours. Please make a
Yeah, yeah.
call. We will discuss.
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah, sure, sure. I will make the payment now this one and I will send a screenshot on your WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Already.
Naga. This is Gopinath. Hello.
Hi, sir. Shiv Kumar. Yes.
Actually, I'm
We can
working
attend
in.
per day for both classes or only one classes one day we can
No,
attend.
no. Both, sir. Every day. For example, today is the first September. Morning 8 a.m. batch is there. Evening also there. Same
Okay, we can
topic will
attend
run.
the both,
Either
right?
both sessions are available every day.
Okay, okay.
I mean, some
After one
people
to
are
two,
suitable in the morning, some are suitable in evening. Maybe that will be switched to either sides.
okay. After completing this one, any doubts, anything means we can contact you, right?
Sir, your voice is very low. I'm unable to get the word.
Once it will be course is completed means after that any doubt or any clarification is there means we can contact you directly, right?
Yes, sir. But yes, definitely I will give to you. In the sessions also you can ask it. I'm ready to give any live question also.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yes. Here one more Nagarjuna is there. Kodi Buttula. Yes. With same name. Okay. Fine, sir.
Hello,
This
Naga.
is about the. Yes, sir.
This is Sridhar. Right now, I'm working in Intune and my configuration manager. In our project, we are using, PowerShell for reporting and automation. But we are mostly we are working in night shifts only. So if I go through the videos, is it okay?
Yes, sir. And you have to follow every day. If there is any queries, you have to post on WhatsApp. That is easy to
Yeah,
you.
yeah. For Thursday and Friday, I have possible to attend the session because we are doing work from home on Thursday and Friday, so there is no
Yes.
issue with that. But can I go through
Yes.
the videos? Is it enough?
Enough, sir. Even two things, sir. Even at either attend for live or recorded session daily. If you have any
Yeah,
queries,
sure,
just
sure.
post
I
me.
will go. Yeah, I will go through the videos every day, and if I have any queries, I will post it in WhatsApp chat window.
Yes, sir. Personally, you can post to me that error screenshot and ask your doubt. 100% I will give the response in less than 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
And also one more thing, like suppose if in case if any requirement is came in my environment, can you help me that with that requirement? How to
No,
just
sir.
work
It
it out
is
in that?
even working days. It is difficult to me also. It is
No,
one
no,
or two
we
times
can.
definitely.
Weekends.
Weekend, definitely we will discuss. So many people I am doing that same thing. If it is a
Yeah,
free
that's what
time,
we
happily
can.
I will move. And if there is new errors, I will get other technology errors also. Definitely, I'm interested to take the risks. Definitely, I will do that one. But consider
Yes,
working
for,
hours, it is difficult to me. That is the only one thing.
yeah, okay.
Remaining time, I will give the suggestion. If it is not possible, I will share the useful link to you.
Sure, sure, definitely. Just automation thing, that's it, nothing
Uh,
more.
the
Uh,
the
Yes, sir.
training will be on the same application Go to, or we have a other application.
Yes, sir. Same app only. Every 15 days, I will share a new link.
Okay, can we
Total.
install this Go to app in a laptop?
No, nothing, sir. No, no. Directly it will work. No need to install. If you install directly, you will get a one capital G will come. With that, you will manage everything. But it is optional.
Okay, so it is possible to take a training in laptop also, right?
No, sir. Even with mobile also, you can attend it. Even there is a mobile app also there.
No, no, I'm talking about a laptop.
Yes, sir. It will work.
Okay.
Nagarjun, do we need to build a virtual infra for this practice purpose?
No, sir. By default, PowerShell inbuilt we have. Nothing to install any software. One Windows machine is enough.
Means local laptop, or do we need to build
No, no.
any?
Local laptop is no. Only local laptop is enough. Up to 55 hours.
Okay.
If upon that window local machine Windows 7 or 10 or 11 is there, it is enough.
Hi Naga, this is Ankush. What if we do have manage remote servers as well? So how do we just manage in that without the lab?
So for them, I am going to use two activities, sir. One is a VMware, you can see on my screen,
Yep.
and another one is I will use AWS Cloud also. Two things we have. The two
Okay.
options after 55 hours, I will explain to you. That's why very clearly I said up to 55 hours, no virtual lab is required. Your laptop, local laptop, your personal laptop is enough. When we
Okay.
works with WinRM, nothing but you said that is a Windows remote management or on
Yeah.
maybe same domain or different
Uh-huh.
domains. Yes, they definitely see these labs I will use and I will explain. Three servers are there.
Oh,
You can able to see.
okay. 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 Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
But this
Hello,
thing
Naga
is
sir.
how you are providing the access to the recorded session.
Every day you will get, sir, recorded sessions. Every day you will get. You don't worry about the recorded sessions. Whether you are attending live or not, you will get the recorded sessions. After every live session, I will export to like in this way. See, somewhere. Lot of batches are there. It's a batch number 48 and 49. Let's take here July, September means 2022. For example, latest one. So you will get the recorded session for two batches, not only one batch. Like in this way, one
Uh,
every folder is available, and in every folder, notes, command history, video, and any scripts also there. You will get that scripts also.
Mine means you are showing the two batches recordings also, morning and evening batch recordings also you sharing with us, or only one batch recording.
No, sir. Both the recordings it doesn't matter. I will provide to you both the badges you will get morning and evening for every people will get. Even you are attending
Okay.
completely morning, you will get the
Okay,
recorded for
sure.
morning and evening.
Yeah, why because I'm asking maybe in next shift like they will ask some different questions, they will get different output like that. I'm saying that reason.
The main yes, I'm giving that clarity also.
Yeah,
Morning and evening topic is same. Maybe examples are different. Maybe based on the persons, based on their environment, questions are different, but topic is same.
exactly. That's what I'm thinking also same thing.
Naga sir, Arshad here.
Yes, sir. Ashar.
Yeah. Sir, I have made the payment. Please check once now.
Yes, sir, definitely. After this one, I have no team,
Yeah.
sir. I am only unique person. After this one, I will give the clarity.
Yeah. Okay. I have sent a screenshot also.
Sure, sir. Definitely, I will add your number. You know, don't worry
Okay.
about that one, and I will
Okay.
give the update.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
one more
Okay,
question
guys.
from my side. This is Ankush. Sorry, this is the last question from my side. So,
Okay.
do we have any assessments, tests, something like that during the sessions? I mean, once we reach to the mid.
No, sir. Every weekend only, not after the training. Every weekend only, you will get a like PS assignment. I will show you something. Like
Yeah,
weekend
please.
one, weekend two, like that. You will get this type of questions after every Saturday, Sunday. For
Okay,
whatever we are
okay.
discussing, whatever we are discussing on Monday to Friday, based on
Uh-huh.
that one, you will get the assignment in this way, and you can send them to provided mail ID.
Okay. I hope we get the feedback as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then only there is a proper way you will get the subjects. Only the one-way traffic is not good thing.
Okay. Thank you.
SQL training ஏதாவது
Okay.
எடுக்கிறீங்களா சார்?
No, sir. Yeah, your voice is low. Someone is asking another question. I am unable to get your voice. Okay, Reshma, Ram, Satish, Nagarjuna. I'm calling two times, but you are not speaking, Nagarjuna. K.
Yes. I am
because same name only. That's why I'm calling you. Okay.
okay.
Thank you all. I will share this recording, and in these 2 to 3 days, I will take the registrations. I mean, then after, definitely I will update you regarding the remaining seats mostly. And one more thing, before this training, before starting this demo, 8 slots are already completed, sir. And now I'm taking these remaining slots, and definitely I will update you as soon as possible. These 2 days, mostly slots are available. After that one, everything I will update in the group only. So these 8 seats are there waiting from last batch only. So this is about our training, and definitely I'm openly talking. 200% you will satisfy, sir. Why? Because if I explain this type of words before the demo, you feel like it's something, but 200% you will satisfy. That is my guarantee. If not, if you are attending live, you are not getting the subject, I will give extra amount for same 2500. But two things: live participation, assignments, solution you have to spend. If you follow these two, 200% you will get the subject. That is my confidence on my training from last 47 batches. Thank you all, and good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Naga.
Thank you, Naga.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Naga.
Hello, Naga, can you hear me?